finest in the country, winning all the medals and and we could still continue to do so, but of course we will never be able to replace a gem of a person that Mr. Chandrasekhar was, his contribution to the institution, the bar that he raised, when it comes to English department. And may his soul rest in peace. His good lady, Mrs. Basanta Chandrasekhar. I still remember his daughter and son Pramod. On behalf of the Old Students Association, we will pray for him and our condolences to the family. In 1984, Mr. Chandrasekhar took on the responsibility of the vice principal of the school and an additional charge of in-charge principal for some time. And his contribution would never be forgotten. And as old students, girls and boys out here, I'm sure everyone remembers him. His lovely voice on the sports day, which we will never ever be able to forget. And I'm sure our sir, Mr. Devadattam out here, who was an icon, when it comes to sports, is with us today, and he too remembers those lovely moments and that lovely voice of Mr. S.W. Chandrasekhar. May his soul rest in peace. God bless his family. Thank you.